Hey everyone, my name is Tyler, and today I'd like to introduce you to our coolant pump upgrade kit for the new Nissan Z. At the core of this kit are the same great parts that we offer for the Infiniti Q15 Q60, with some new bracketry to make sure everything fits properly in the Nissan Z. This kit comes with a Pierburg CWA coolant pump, our dedicated coolant pump controller, and everything you need for a direct plug-and-play installation. The Nissan Z comes with 2 coolant pumps from the factory, just like the Infiniti Q Red Sport models. But, as with the Q, we've found that there's still room for improvement, especially when combined with one of our heat exchangers. By installing this pump kit, the flow through the charge air cooler system will increase from 7.4 gallons per minute to 8.3 gallons per minute. When combined with a Z1 heat exchanger, that number increases further to 10 gallons per minute. This kit is designed to provide more coolant flow through the charge air system, helping to reduce heat soak and maintain cooler charge air temperatures, so you can push your Z even further. All of these parts are available on our website, z1motorsports.com. Please don't hesitate to reach out for more information, and don't forget to like and subscribe.